Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute succulent planter that is actually a box. Yeah, how cool is that? Like a little secret compartment. Anyway, stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. Alrighty y'all, let us get started. So first off, what you're going to need, one of these like little craft boxes from the Dollar Tree. You're also going to need a pack of these craft sticks. Popsicle sticks is what I call them. Anyway, this also came from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to need a few other things, but we'll get into that in a minute. So I have a pencil here. Now what we want to do first is we need to put the lid on and trace around the bottom. That way we know exactly where we need to place our sticks so that it's not up too high. If you put the sticks up too high, then your lid is not going to fit on, okay? So let us just trace around. I've got ink on my finger. I'm always making something. Now I've got blue ink all over my finger. Okay, so now we can see where to put our popsicle sticks. So let us go ahead. I know popsicles like this registered trademark name. Like, don't use that name. I will use it until they tell me to shut up. All right, so let's just get some of these out here. And first off, what we're going to do is we're going to knock over our glue gun. We are going to just trim off the end to make it flat, like so. And then I'm going to, let's just hold it right here. And then I'm going to flip this over. I'm trying to do it so that y'all can see it. Flip it over and I'm going to draw a line. And that is where you need to cut. So we are going to cut a bunch of these popsicle sticks. Try to cut as straight as possible, okay? And let's make sure that, let's see, that looks good. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut a whole bunch of these using these over here. Let's see if I have enough on this end to, nah. Get over there, Dan. Sit over there and think about what you've done. I'm going to cut a whole bunch of these, and then we are going to attach them. Okie dokie. So I have a handful cut here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start gluing them on. And just remember, as you are gluing these on, you want to keep them as straight as possible, okay? So that your lid isn't going to be wonky, or when you set it down, it isn't going to be all wonky. So let's wipe off the end of this daggum glue gun. If you like this glue gun, I love it. With the little needle nozzle. Fine tipped nozzle. That's the terminology I'm looking for. If you like it, then please look down in the description box and I'll have a link to where you can get one. So we're just going to glue this down like so. And now let us do another one. Okay. Okay, let's try to get that straight there. Okay. So basically what we're going to do now is we are just going to glue these all the way around our box, and then we will come back and decorate the lid. Okay, I used 33 of these popsicle sticks, and this is what we have so far. Now for the top, I want to use this succulent. Now I got this succulent at Hobby Lobby, but you know, you can get them at Dollar Tree, wherever. And as you can see, this one kind of comes together into 3 pieces, and I don't want to cut them apart, okay? I want to leave them all together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take something, and let's get my pencil, and I'm going to try to find the center here. I mean, it's just guessing. Oh, Lord, Amber. My hand slipped. Do you see what I've done? And then I'm just going to take something and I'm going to poke a hole because I want to put this stem kind of down inside the lid, okay? So let's just push that down in there and twist just a little bit and just fit that down in there. And this is going to be for me, so I don't care what the inside of the lid looks like, okay? Somebody's like, I just knocked over a bottle of paint. Okay, so that is like way down in there. So now I'm going to put glue on the bottom here to kind of hold it in. And then when I flip it over, I'm also going to put some hot glue underneath the actual succulent to hold it down from that end as well. Okay, so let's let this glue set up and I'll be back. Okay, so that glue has pretty much set up on the bottom, and as you can see, I'm just kind of squirting some down there in the center just to hold it down even more. And then we'll set it up and let it finish curing here. All right, so now I have a bunch of these river rocks scooting up in my chair here. A bunch of these river rocks, you can get these at any craft store. You can get them at Dollar Tree. And now I just want to glue a few of those onto the top of this as well. Like I said, I'm just flying by the seat of my pants on this. I don't 100% know how I want it to look. I'm just saying, oh yeah, I have that, and that might look good. So let's just kind of, yeah, let's just kind of flip that down in there. I love long nails. I use them as tools. I'm very clumsy with short nails. I am so clumsy with short nails. A lot of negative people out there. I don't like your nails. I don't care. I didn't ask you to like them. I like them. You know what, friends? Listen here. We live in some rough times right now, okay? We really do. There's so much negativity and hatred out there that if somebody finds something that makes them happy, if their nails make them happy, whatever makes them happy, as long as you're not hurting anybody, let them have that, okay? Just let them have it. It's not hurting you. Stop worrying about it. You know, I often wonder with these people, I wonder what it's like to just sit around and be negative all day long and think, I'm going to send this person a rude message or a rude comment. Just because you have negative things going on in your life or bad things going on in your life doesn't give you the right to be a jerk to someone else. I had come across that on Facebook just the other day. Someone was being really snarky in the comment section, and she's like, I'm sorry, I had a bad day. You know, it was Memorial Day, and I totally understand that. I really do. But that doesn't give you the right to be a jerk to other people. We're all going through something. You're probably going through something that, you know, I wouldn't understand, and vice versa. So, you know, when you come to the realization that everybody's going through something, it's not just you. And lots of snowflakes out there think it's just them. Life is a little bit easier, okay? It's a little bit easier for everybody when you stop with these comments. All right, so as you can see, I'm just kind of placing them here, there, and everywhere. I've got little spider webs all over me. So I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to fill in the inside here. Now, around the edge, I have some of this twine over here that I think is going to look really good. And that's what I'm going to put on it. So I'm going to start filling this in, and we'll be back. All right, so I do believe I'm done with that for now. So now I have some of this twine, and you can get, well, cording. You can get this at craft stores. I believe this in, I can't remember. I want to say Walmart, Joann's, somewhere. Anyway, this is the 4-ply number 72 twine. And I should have done this a while ago. Oops, my glue didn't set up right there. Let's fix that. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work this twine. Blah, blah. I can't speak. I'm going to work this twine around. Let's decide which side we want to be. The back. I don't think it really matters on this one. And let's get the end ready. Oh no, wait. This is frayed. Amber, pay attention. Pay attention. There we go. All right. So let's keep our end handy. And I'm just going to start gluing this around. And I'm going to do it over the whole thing. Can you see here? Yeah, I guess. Okay. Like that. And I'm just going to do this all the way around. All right, I got a fan on now. It wasn't even hot when I came in here. Now it's hot. All right, so this is our lid. I'm going to set this off to the side to let all of that glue set up. And then I'll go back and get off the little strings and spider webs. See, there's one right there. We'll get him later. Anyway, I have some of this antiquing wax. Antiquing, why did I say it that way? Don't know. This antiquing wax from Waverly. Now, you can dry brush it with brown paint if that's what you want to do. But I'm just going to take a little bit of that. And I have this paper towel. I'm just going to glop it on my paper towel. And then I'm just going to buff it on like so. I was debating on whether or not I wanted to do this or just leave the box plain because I like this color. I like that. But I'm like, no, let's darken it up a little bit. You can also do this by taking baby wipes and just put a little bit of acrylic paint on a baby wipe and do it that way if you want to. But I have this, and this bottle's been leaking, and I just want to use it up. Let's just get it out of here. So anyway, I'm just going to buff this on, and I'll be back. All right. I hope this comes off in my hand. I got brown on my finger. Better than being on my nose, I guess. But anyway, here we go. This is what it looks like. I just buffed it off with that paper towel, and then I let it sit here for a few minutes and let it kind of dry, and this is what we have. So now I'm just, like I said, I need to go back and get some of like these little glue strings off of here, but I'm going to call that done. And I'm going to get a better shot of this for you. You saw it at the beginning of the video, but I'll get another shot and you can see it again at the end. But anyway, I hope you like this. If you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. The links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye!